Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the receiver model and firmware. This matters because menus differ. Once done, power on the dish LNB, connect the coax to the receiver, and HDMI to your TV. You should check current signal strength, quality, and lock status in the setup menu. These baseline numbers tell you whether adjustments are small or major. Make sure the dish is roughly aligned to the known satellite arc before moving to fine-tuning. Don't skip this step. You now access the receiver's installation or dish setup menu, choosing the correct satellite and LNB type because wrong settings prevent lock. Next, slowly tweak azimuth, elevation, then LNB skew while watching real-time signal strength and quality meters. Small moves yield big changes, so be patient. Also verify LNB frequency, polarity, and symbol rate match your provider's specs. This ensures the receiver can decode the carrier. You finish by running a blind or transponder scan to populate channels. Once complete, save the results and reorder favorites. Then test several channels across different frequency bands to confirm a stable lock and consistent picture. If channels fail or signal drops, troubleshoot systematically. Inspect coax connectors for damage, verify LNB power and voltage, remove any splitters temporarily, and review receiver logs for errors. One key tip: swap in a known good coax or LNB to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.